I've listened to the court appearance of Nnamdi Kanu today and listened to the representations made by his lawyers, and wish to say that I want to be part of any peaceful demonstration in Abuja or anywhere in Nigeria for the release of Nnamdi Kanu.
Alright, depending on your time zone and your location. Mazi Uwazuruke apotagokwana again we be react here. We tinye onu n'okwu gbasatara court sitting emere today. And he said a whole lot of things. And the juicy part of his speech in this particular video, Bebo Kuroku we reply ya Omoyele Sowore. Unmana during the week na Sowore apotago we dia drag ya all the southeastern leaders, ndị na-akpọ onwe ha governors, southeastern king, Igwe, and other leaders na southeast ka hapụta ka we mee a marching to Aso Rock in demand for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release. Nna ekwu bụ Mazi Uwazuruke ekwugo okwu we reply ya Omoyele Sowore we na-agwa ya si ya that na ọ dị ready ịbụ number one person ga-apụta for that match anywhere around Nigeria. Na ya nwa ga-apụta any day fix the date na ọ dị ready ịpụta to represent, to be among the people get lead that particular match. This shows example of a true leader. Yes, I want you guys to watch the video. If any no crew na this particular video. After watching this video, I will also play you guys a video, an interview Emere Omoyele Sowore just recently. Settle down, watch the video, share your thoughts and opinion after watching the video. Wambo, to start the video, can always require with fear. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. I will be right back.
I've listened to the court appearance of Nnamdi Kanu today and listened to the representations made by his lawyers, and wish to say that I want to be part of any peaceful demonstration in Abuja or anywhere in Nigeria for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. I personally reached out to Barrister Lawyer Jimako long ago, telling him that I would want to be one of the witnesses, defense witnesses to Nnamdi Kanu. Recently, just about last week, I reminded him of my desire to be one of the defense witnesses to Nnamdi Kanu. You can ask Lawyer Jimako. I told him. So, for this new development, I want to be part of it. I'm ready to go to Abuja or any part of Nigeria where such demonstrations will take place. I will be part of it, provided it is anchored on non-violence, peaceful protest. I will be there, and I mean it. I will personally be there. This is not all about Nnamdi Kanu. This is about Igbo. If anybody thinks that Nnamdi Kanu is being humiliated today, no. It's Igbo that are being humiliated. It's not about Nnamdi Kanu. There's nothing like terrorism, this and that. Nothing like that. When my men were being killed in the streets of Southeast, were they terrorists? What did they do? When Nnamdi Kanu, when Uwazuruke was declared to be arrested by DSS simply because he said he supported Uwazuruke. He was given a one-way ticket, economy class, to Abuja. What did he do? It was just to humiliate Igbo by commanding our leader, Uwazuruke, to proceed to Abuja on a one-way ticket, economy class. So all these things, I know them very well. It has got nothing to do with Nnamdi Kanu. It has to do with Igbo. To tell us that we don't matter in Nigeria and that we could be treated anyhow. If you talk of terrorism charge or whatever, how can you be negotiating with terrorists from another tribe, one tribe, and keeping into prison terrorists from another tribe? That's the justice. So it has nothing to do with Nnamdi Kanu. It has to do with the injustice rooted in Nigeria against Igbo. That is why I will be there. That's why I will be there. It could be anybody else It could be anybody else. It has nothing to do with Nnamdi Kanu, terrorism, blah, blah, blah. Nothing. It has everything to do with Ndi Igbo. The situation of Ndi Igbo in Nigeria, the humiliation of Ndi Igbo in Nigeria, and everybody is affected. We have to do this because of the future of our children. I will be there. Thank you.
Before we go, I would like to ask you this. I see you in court. I see videos of you in court every time Nnamdi Kanu appears in court. And his case has lingered for too long and so long. Shouldn't we be talking about a political solution now to resolve all of these and probably give closure to the people of the Southeast and maybe peace too?
You know, the Kanu situation didn't need to last one day longer than the day Buhari left. Kanu was Buhari's personal prisoner because those people, the Buharis of this world, believe that Nigeria is a real estate that must be held together, it must be united. But do we think that people who claim they have broad minds about what Nigeria is, the diversity of Nigeria, the crisis, is the first person they would have done, the first person they would have let go is Nnamdi Kanu. Because didn't we let go Sunday Igboho? Have we burned down Yoruba land? Before Buhari left, I was one of the people fighting for Ezaki. The arguments by those who were opposed to his release was that if he comes, he will burn down Kaduna. Ezaki has been out of jail now for how long? He doesn't even have time for Nigeria. He has become an international ambassador for Nigeria. He goes to Lebanon, Iran. I've seen him in Iraq. He has not had time to even rebuild his area base. That shows to you that what of some of the fear-mongering that happens on the corridors of power is driven by unreasonableness, and that is why I just want to say, look, eventually they are going to resolve the issue politically. Because the political issue is a self-determination matter. There's no court of law that can resolve Kanu's matter. Even if he's found guilty by their own standards, it's still going to be he's a political prisoner forever.
Some people have also said that there are also some political interests, even from his region, who do not want him to be free.
We know that because I was earlier in, I think 2023, I was part of some conversation to release him. And what came straight was from Imo State, that he can't be released before the election in Imo State, that he will affect them. And after that, everybody kept coming and said, don't release him, and here we are.
All right, we have to go now. I must thank you very much for your time on the program. Omoyele Sowore'S.